All right, this time we're going to use probability and addition. And so in this case, we're again using a die, and we're calculating the probability of rolling a 4 or a 5. And so when we did the multiplication part, the probability of multiplication, we were discussing whether the probability of rolling a 4 and then a 5. And now we're doing the probability of rolling a 4 or a 5. And so this is an addition property that we will look at. And so in this case, the probability, again, it's the same formula. We'll write the probability out so you can see it here. The probability of event A rolling a 4 or event B, in this case, rolling a 5, the probability of those things happening is equal to the probability of A happening by itself plus the probability of B happening. And so it's an additive property. And so we have to calculate the relative frequency of each of those things. And so the probability of A is equal to the number of times that event could happen or the possible outcomes. In our case, it is 1 time we can land a 4 out of 6 tries, 6 sides on the dice. The probability of event B, again, that's equal to the number of times the event can happen over the number of trials. Again, a 5 can happen. It's the same on a die. It's 1 in 6. And so we add that back into our formula up here. The probability of A or B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. One-sixth plus 1/6 equals 2/6, or in this case 0.33 repeating, which is about 33%. So you have a 33% chance of rolling a die and getting a 4 or a 5. And we've shown that with probability and addition.